Top 9 Foods to Detox and Cleanse Your Kidneys Naturally. Welcome back to Health Alert Remedies. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of kidney health. Our kidneys work tirelessly to keep our bodies clean and functioning at their best. So, let's show them some love with the top 9 foods to naturally detox and cleanse your kidneys. Before we jump into it, don't forget to check the link below for some helpful products to support your kidney health journey. 1. Hydration Heroes. First up, let's talk watermelon and cucumber. These water-rich wonders not only keep you hydrated but also help flush out toxins, giving your kidneys a refreshing boost. It's like a spa day for your kidneys. 2. Berry Bliss. Berries, like blueberries and strawberries, are not just delicious, they're packed with antioxidants. These little powerhouses can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in your kidneys, making them feel rejuvenated. 3. Leafy greens galore. Spinach and kale take the spotlight in this section. These leafy greens are rich in vitamins A and K, and they contain essential minerals that support kidney function. Time to make those kidneys the superheroes of your body. 4. Citrus Splash. Citrus fruits, such as oranges and lemons, bring a burst of flavor and a load of vitamin C. This vitamin is a natural antioxidant that can prevent kidney stones and promote overall kidney health. Say hello to your citrus kidney superheroes. 5. Nutty Goodness. Nuts, especially almonds, are our kidneys' best friends. They are high in healthy fats and fiber, supporting a balanced diet that keeps your kidneys running smoothly. Let's crack open a healthy snack for our kidneys. 6. Garlic Magic. Garlic, the unsung hero in your kitchen, also has kidney-friendly benefits. It contains allicin, a natural antibacterial compound that may help cleanse the kidneys. Time to add a touch of garlic magic to your meals. 7. Turmeric Triumph. Turmeric, with its golden glow, is a spice that deserves a place in your kidney detox journey. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit your kidneys. Spice up your life and your kidney health. 8. Red bell pepper revival. Red bell peppers aren't just tasty, they're a kidney-friendly veggie. Packed with vitamins A, C, and B6, these peppers support kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney stones. It's time for a red bell pepper revival in your diet. 9. Kidney bean bonanza. Last but not least, kidney beans. These beans share a resemblance with our kidneys for a reason. They are an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber, providing a kidney-friendly boost to your meals. Let's embrace the kidney bean bonanza. And there you have it, our top 9 foods to detox and cleanse your kidneys naturally. Which one are you excited to add to your diet? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more health tips. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy.